Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to Brain Tech. In this video, I will show you how to blur photo in Instagram story. To start this tutorial, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Once you are here, first let's add a story. To do that, click on the plus sign, the one with the Your Story option. In here, you will now choose what story you want to use. Could be something from your gallery or you could use your camera. Once on your camera, over here, you will now need to swipe left or swipe right and then look for the blur filter provided by Instagram. If not, you can also browse effects by swiping to the rightmost part of Instagram. Once you browse effects, you will see here a lot of options. But this time, use the magnifying glass to search. In here, we will now be searching for blur. You can type it in. Once you're done typing, Instagram will now show you options that has a blur effect or a filter. Now just choose whatever it is that you like, the one that is fit with your style and aesthetics. Your camera should show a blurred version of your Instagram story over here. Once you're satisfied, take that snap and look at that. Everything is now blurred. Once done, click on the arrow button so that you'll be able to post your story. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.